friends at the Freeport Community Library are going to show you how to make your very own macrame picture frame. In your kit, you're going to get 10 mini clothespins, and you're going to use those to attach photos to your macrame picture frame holder. You're also going to get a bunch of macrame cord or string cut into different lengths, and you're also going to get one 12-inch wooden dowel. The first thing you're going to want to do is lay out all your materials on a table, and you're going to want to look at the instructions and decide what kind of knots or twists or designs you want to make. You can customize it however you'd like. And then you want to also decide if you want to use any of the gray macrame cord that came in the kit or all white. It's your choice. So let's get started making your macrame picture frame. The first thing I'm going to make is a classic braid. To make the classic braid for your macrame picture frame, I'm going to take 3 of the short strands of cord, and then I'm going to put them all lined up to make sure they're even, and I'm going to fold it over in half, and that's going to kind of create a loop with 6 ends hanging from it. I'm then going to take this and loop it under the dowel and put all 6 ends through the loop. Once you pull all the ends through the loop, you're going to pull it nice and tight. Next, you're going to separate the strings, and you're going to create 3 different strands with 2 strings each. Before I get started braiding these, I'm going to take 2 pieces of nice strong tape. I'm going to use them to tape down the dowel to the table. And that will really help when I'm kind of pulling and trying to braid this cord. Now you can go ahead and get started braiding. You're going to treat each set of 2 strings as if they were 1 strand. Once you've finished braiding your cord and you have a couple inches left of the string at the end, to finish it and keep it from unraveling, you're just going to tie the whole thing around in a single knot. If you want, you can cut the bottom of the strings to make it all even. You can leave it however you like. This next one is really easy. This one we just call strings. You're going to take 2 of your short strands and you're going to make sure they're lined up and even. And you're going to fold them in half, creating a loop with 4 ends hanging. You're going to go ahead and take this and loop it under your wooden dowel. And once you get that pulled through, you're going to take all 4 ends of the string and you're going to pull those through the loop. Pull it nice and tight. And then all you're gonna do to make this one is you're gonna take each individual string and you're gonna tie a little knot at the bottom. Now you can tie the knots at different spots on the string. You can tie a double knot to make it a little bigger, or you can just leave the strings. You can kind of customize it however you'd like. Now I'm going to take a short strand and attach it to the dowel so that you can hang your macrame picture frame on the wall. So I'm going to go ahead and take the tape off of my wooden dowel. And then I'm just going to wrap one end of the string around the dowel and tie it in a double knot. Then I'm just going to take the other end and do the same thing. I'm going to tie it around the dowel in a double knot. I'm also going to show you how to take your mini clips, your mini clothespins, and they can just attach right to any of your knots or twists or anything that you have. And when you have photos, you can just clip your photos wherever you'd like. Now we're going to show you how to make a twist for your macrame picture frame. You're going to take your one very, very long strand and one short strand, and you're going to fold them in half to create a loop with 4 ends hanging. Then you're going to loop that under the dowel, and you're going to pull all 4 ends through the loop. Go ahead and pull that nice and tight. Now you're going to want to separate the strands so you have the 2 shorter strands in the middle and the 2 longer on the side. The 2 shorter strands in the middle you're going to want to tape down. First, you're going to pick up the longer string on the left and form the string so it looks like a number 4. Then you're going to take the other long string, have it come over the tail of the first string, and then under the short strings and through the loop of the first string. You will repeat this until it is as long as you would like. Always use the left side string to make the shape of the number 4. This is really important. As you make this twist, it's going to do like the name says, and it's going to start twisting around. It's okay if your strings get twisted around as long as you always use the left string to make the shape of the number 4. When you're done making your twist as long as you'd like it, go ahead and knot the 4 strings together at the end so they don't come apart, and you've finished making your macrame picture frame.